Hello everyone. So here's a question regarding Wix.com. So can you change your existing plan or can you upgrade it? Well, the answer is yes. Okay, so let's get to know that. So log in to your Wix account, go to homepage, and you will see the upgrade button at the top center of the page. Okay, here it is. Okay, just click it and you will be able to select the plans or a plan uh, which you are upgrading to. For example, you are in unlimited, so just select VIP and you will be asked to fill in or to answer the required information upon placing your order. Okay, so you can choose a monthly plan, yearly plan, or a 2-year plan. Okay, so if you are going to purchase a 2-year plan, you are going to save 50% of the total price. Okay, so if this video answers your question, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.